ṣùgbọ́n ní kẹ́lẹ́kẹ́lẹ́ ni bàbá ń pé àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí mi ò ní sọ sókè ṣùgbọ́n màá máa sọ fún yín ní kẹ́lẹ́kẹ́lẹ́ wípé àṣeyọrí tó péye ó ti ń bẹ ní ìsinyìí o àti ń ṣàṣeyọrí nípa ọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá nation yìí. Bàbá Adeniran ẹni tó jẹ́ ṣe pé wámúwámú báyìí ló wà pẹ̀lú bàbá Professor Banji Akíntóyè tí wọ́n jọ ń ṣe kùrùkẹrẹ bí wọ́n ti ṣe gba olóyè Sunday Igboho kalẹ̀. Ẹgbẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ń ká mi lára. Ẹ dákun ẹ wá wò kẹ́ wá gbọ́ èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì pọ́nbélé ni wọ́n fi sọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀hún. Ẹ jẹ́ ká fi ti balẹ̀ kí a jọ gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀hún. Ẹ ṣé tẹ́tí sí wa.
I'm a retiree. I'm Deputy Alano to the Alano in Ilana Omodudua, one of the leading self-determination organizations in Yoruba land, fighting for the independence and sovereignty of the Yoruba people. I was once Commissioner for Education in Osun State. We are Pioneer Commissioner for Education, as a matter of fact. Then returned to university, was Director Institute of Cultural Studies. I've been here and there. 1 year at the United Nations Economic Commission for Africa. Was a member of the Constituent Assembly, 1988-89 in Abuja. Had a spell in politics, then pulled out when I found that the norms were no longer in consonance with mine, and retired back to the university environment, which I'm used to. Since retiring, well, I've been active in this struggle, and currently, my family and I are in exile as a result of this, of our participation in the self-determination struggle, along with the Alano, Professor Adeniran Adewale and his wife. We're outside, we're struggling, but I'm pleased to report that we are making progress. But I cannot divulge the kind of progress that we are making. But I'll just say this. Yesterday, we received the kind of news that made Professor Akintoye and I pop a bottle of wine, a Carlo Rossi.
I hope we are going to touch it on this program, so people will hear a little bit about it for the first time on this program. You know, this is a breaking news. Wow. Let's continue, sir.
So that tells you it must have been a very cheerful piece of information that we received, but which we cannot make public yet. But I think it's all on your behalf, on behalf of the Yoruba people. I just plead that you please bear with us, because there are certain rules that we have to observe.
Okay, sir.
In this kind of things, because it's partly diplomacy, it's partly freedom fighting, and we must be able to prove to our friends that we can keep secrets, that we can, you know, we will only divulge the kind of information that will not embarrass our friends and that will not hurt or harm our struggle. But I can assure you, we are making steady progress.
Wow,
and very soon, we are sure to have our own independent and sovereign Yoruba nation state.